Hello dear students, welcome everybody. In this video I am going to talk another interesting text that come under chapter 5 work, and it's the lesson number 5. The title is Los Pobres. Here the Los Pobres means poor and powerless people. This talk about this poor and powerless people here. It was written by Richard Rodriguez, who was a famous US writer. In this is a story. This story is based on autobiographical or real life experience of the writer Richard Rodriguez. यो स्टोरीमा रिचार्ड रोड्रिगेजले आफ्नो जीवनमा वास्तविक रूपमा भोगेको भोगाइलाई प्रस्तुत गरेका छन् र यहाँनिर राइटर आफैले एउटा कन्स्ट्रक्सन वर्करको रूपमा एउटा निर्माण कामदारको रूपमा उनी आफै ती कामदारको अवस्थाको बारेमा बुझ्नको लागि उनी कामदार बनेर उनी एउटा फ्याक्ट्रीमा जान्छन् जहाँ उनले कामदारहरूको अवस्था र उनीहरूले भोगेका समस्याहरूको बारेमा उनले बुझ्छन्। त्यहाँनिर जति बेला राइटरले एउटा ग्रेजुएसन सकिसकेपछि उनी कन्स्ट्रक्सन वर्करको रूपमा उनी समर वर्कमा उनी जान्छन् र उनले त्यहाँ मेक्सिकन माइग्रेन्ट वर्करहरूको प्याथेटिक कन्डिसन, उनीहरूको अवस्था निकै दयनीय अवस्थाको बारेमा उनले देख्छन् कि उनीहरू माथि गरिएको एक्सप्लोइटेसन, शोषण र उनीहरूलाई दिएको कम पारिश्रमिक र उनीहरूलाई एउटा कम्पनीको बोस, एउटा हाई क्लास पिपलहरूले गरिएको सप्रेस दमनको कुरा चाहिँ राइटरले देख्छन्। र यसरी लस पब्रेस यानी कि पुअर एन्ड पावरलेस पिपल भन्ने शीर्षकमा लेखिएको यो अटोबायोग्राफिकल स्टोरीमा राइटर रिचार्ड रोड्रिगेजले एउटा वास्तविक जीवनको एउटा मेक्सिकन माइग्रेन्ट वर्करहरूको अवस्थाको बारेमा उनले चित्रण गरेका छन्। त्यस्तै गरेर यो अटोबायोग्राफिकल स्टोरीमा राइटर आफैले पनि एउटा राइट अफ लस पब्रेस, यी पुअर र पावरलेस पिपलहरूको लागि चाहिँ उनले उनीहरूलाई निश्चित अधिकार दिनुपर्छ, उनीहरूलाई माथि शोषण गर्नु हुँदैन भनेर उनले त्यसको बारेमा पनि एउटा आवाज उठाएका छन्। र राइटर आफैले पनि एउटा कन्स्ट्रक्सन वर्कर भएर चाहिँ जब उनी एउटा कन्स्ट्रक्सन वर्कर रूपमा गए समर जबमा, उनले सुरुमा त उनले त्यसमा इन्जोय गरिरहेका थिए, हरेक मानिसहरूलाई उनले एक किसिमको परिचय गरे अनि मानिसहरूसँग घुलमिल भए। त्यसरी अगाडि काम गर्दै जाँदा उनले अगाडि बुझ्दै गए कि त्यहाँ जति काम गर्ने मानिसहरूको अवस्था दयनीय रहेछ, उनीहरूलाई बिहान बेलुकाको छाकटारा पनि धौधौ परिरहेको अवस्था रहेछ भने अर्कोतिर उनीहरूमाथि गरेको दमन, उनीहरूमाथि गरेको एक्सप्लोइटेसन र उनीहरूमाथि गरेको शोषणलाई पनि उनले नजिकबाट निहाले। र यसरी समग्रमा उनीहरूले एउटा मेक्सिकन माइग्रेन्ट वर्कर्स र एउटा कन्स्ट्रक्सन वर्कर जुन समर वर्कमा आएका थिए उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ उनीहरूको अवस्थाप्रति उनी आफैले एउटा रियल लाइफ एक्सपिरियन्स गरे, जसलाई उनले यो अटोबायोग्राफी स्टोरी लस पब्रेस मार्फत प्रस्तुत गरेका छन्। र हामीले यहाँनिर लस पब्रेस रिचार्ड रोड्रिगेजको यसको बारे रोड्रिगेजले लेखेको यो अटोबायोग्राफी स्टोरीको बारेमा चाहिँ छोटो चर्चा यहाँ गर्न गइरहेका छौँ। लेट डिस्कस इन इङ्ग्लिस। सो हियर in this autobiographical story, the writer expresses his own experience as a construction worker. After graduating from the college, after the graduation of the college, the writer, he went to work as a construction worker. He wanted to get to know about the real experience of the worker there. In order to experience the pain and pleasure of the real work, he joins the summer work, but he is unable to feel the real experience of the lost progress, that is poor and powerless. Only after seeing the pathetic condition of the Mexican migrant workers, he realizes the real condition as well as the exploitation of the lost progress there, means poor and the condition of poor and powerless people there. So the writer here speaks for the writer of the lost progress. This story changes the perspective of the people towards the working class people. Instead of hectic unbeliever, they just make them joking and mockery. But every worker should deserve love and respect because their condition, their pathetic condition was really miserable. The writer noticed that. So that is the idea here. Let's discuss this idea, the idea of this autobiographical story is summarized from here. Let's discuss this. In this story, the writer experienced his own experience as a construction worker. Whatever the things he experienced, he expressed through his autobiographical story here under the title Lost Progress. Here, the writer saw that Mexican migrant workers their pathetic condition. The writer himself realized the real condition as well as exploitation of the lost poverty. Similarly, the writer exists for the writer of lost poverty. Although this story is related with the writer himself, there is a great empathy with the working class people for the writer himself. Try to feel the real experience of the hard work there. Beside the writer in the beginning thought that the workers were different from what his or her mother told, especially the writer, he was believed that differently when he got to know about his idea from his mother. But later on, the writer, he realized the real experience of the worker. They were poor and powerless, but after doing his graduation, the writer was in search of summer job. One of his friends suggested him that he should get a job as a worker. In fact, the writer would like to experience the suffering of the real work because he would like to show his father that he even had experience of it. During the interview with the contractor, the writer said that he had the experience of physical labor, though he had never worked physically in his life. Undoubtedly, the people have told him that the physical labor was beyond his capacity, but he enjoyed the work very much. Moreover, unlike his expectation, he found the workers not being less progress but being middle class as well as like himself. He was surprised that the workers were not of similar interest and skills, even that they were daily wage laborers. They had diverse interests and skills. For example, some of the workers were abstract painters and some of them were poet and writer. The writer in the beginning felt that he had got the experience of the real world, but later on realized that an educated person could never feel the real experience of the Mexican migrant workers, as it made him realize that they lacked public identity remain completely, and they were the people falling apart there. So here the writer, he got to know that due to the lack of proper communication and the language problem, they were acting like the puppet in the command of their contractor. So the writer, he experienced the real flavor of the pathetic condition of Mexican migrant worker there. Moreover, the workers were unaware of the minimum human rights, and consequently they were victimized rudely. Their quietness was the indication of how helpless they were in the foreign land. Their sweating face and the hard, harsh body really invited the sympathy from the writer. He obviously got the answer which he was searching for him from his childhood. He clearly knew that he could never be the lost progress there. He got to know that. So in this way, in this history, the writer presented the ideas very powerfully, not only in the depicting the life of the poor and powerless, but also in advocating their rights. Indirectly, the writer speak for the poor and powerless people and against their exploitation by the employers. Despite being an autobiography study, this study is able to generalize the common experience of the working class people. The writer express here. Similarly, this study changes the perspective of the people towards the working class people. Instead of just making them fun and joking, they deserve love and respect. Here the writer talks about this. That is the main idea in this history, lost poverty. Here the writer, after the graduation, he went in the construction worker as a summer job. Whatever his parents, they told him, his friend, they told him, he went into the work. At the beginning, he found that middle class people were there. Later on, when he met the Mexican migrant workers, their language was really different one, and these people had a very pathetic condition. So they were highly dominated and exploited by the employers. The writer saw that, and at the last, the writer showed deep respect to them. So in this way, the writer also speaks in favor of the construction worker, and we should not think them as a mockery part, but we should respect. So we should show love and respect to every construction worker. So that is the main idea of this autobiography study by Rodriguez, that is Lost Progress. So now we have two more questions here. Which people in your culture do most of the physical labor and manual work? For this question, you can go through these lines. There is physical labor and manual works, especially in physical labor, farmers, uneducated people, poor people, and manual work, domestic work, women do. You can go through, you can explain this line as well. And for the next question, discuss something important that Rodriguez learned as a young man from his summer job. So what did he learn? Especially here, Rodriguez learned several important things from his summer job. He would not be able to lessen the distance between lost progress and Emily with a little physical labor. Due to the lack of proper communication and the language problem, they were acting like the puppet in the command of their contractor. Moreover, they were unaware of the minimum human rights, and consequently they were victimized rudely. Their quietness was the indication of how helpless they were in the foreign land. Their sweating face and the hard hearts would really invited the sympathy from the writer. So that is the answer of that question. So now I'm at the end of this video. I hope every students will get the concept of this lesson, loss for risk. If you have any confusion, you can put a comment on this video so that I can address this. And one more thing, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe this video. That always make me motivate to make such kind of video in the days to come. And now I like to sign out the class here. Hope to meet you in our next class with interesting lesson. See you. Take care. Goodbye.